Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, this afternoon, we are going to study about ठीक है corrective measures for lordosis. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you know why these or what is the deformity of lordosis? It is related to our postural deformities. And today we are studying about corrective measures for lordosis. Okay, first lie down in prone posture with hand upper abdomen, then keep hips and shoulder down. Press your hands up on the abdomen and raise the lower back. There are various corrective measures. Corrective measures are set to correct that particular posture. Okay, to correct that particular posture. Bend knees forward while allowing hip to bend behind. Keep the back straight and knees point in the same direction as feet. Descent until thigh are just parallel to floor. Okay, these are some of the common corrective measures for lordosis. Sit down with knees extend. Okay, these are few exercises you can do at your home also. Second is corrective measures for scoliosis. Okay, what is scoliosis? Students, deformity of, that is we are talking about here deformity, but deformity of spine. Okay,
Yes, sir.
spine, when we have a curve in a spine due to various ways, and one of them is when in early ages heavy weight lifting. Okay, when we are lifting a heavy weight. Okay, then there is a problem in vertebral column, and that is called scoliosis. Understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, class.
Yes, sir.
Corrective measures for scoliosis, and we had came to know about that scoliosis is related to deformities of spine. Okay,
Yes,
understand, class?
Yes, sir.
And what corrective measures we can take while preventing scoliosis? See, scoliosis exercises are designed to correct the rotary curvature of spine. Okay, these exercises help in a limited way to decrease curve angles. Okay, we have various angles because we are having skeleton system. Okay, and each and every joint here has its own angles. Okay, understand, class?
Yes, sir.
If I want to rotate my hand, I will rotate like this in how many degree? 360 degree. Okay, and this is 180 degree or 90 degree?
90.
90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the two examples of angles, and if there will be any problem or deformities of scoliosis, there is a change in angle. Okay, understand? It is related to the mechanism of body. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Lie down. You can see in your book. Lie down in prone posture on the chest. Right arm should be upward and left arm at a side. After that, move right arm towards the left or head. Press down with left hand then slide the left hip up. Okay. Second, stand erect with feet few inches apart. Okay. Simple. You have to stand few inches apart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Stand in the correct position with feet several inches apart. Okay. The hip of figure for a right hand should be on right shoulders. Okay. Repeat the exercise for sometimes as per C curve. Okay. Because why we are saying here C curve? Yes, class 12 D. Why we are saying C curve?
Because the body structure look like C.
Yes, the spinal cord is just like C. This is the deformity. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now, third is creative measures for knock knees. Okay. Creative measures for
Not me.
knock knees. And you know, the knock knees cannot be corrected through exercise during later childhood and adulthood. Okay? Why? In every lordosis and scoliyosis, we are saying we can correct by physical activity or by exercise. But here in knock knees cannot be corrected through exercise during later childhood or adulthood. Why?
It's too late.
Huh? Bones are stiff.
Yes,
Bones become stiff. Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay. And
Permanent shape.
because of permanent shift. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I think that how you can give exercise in that particular space. You can give exercise. That's why horse riding is given. Okay. If you see a person suffering from knock knees, okay. Okay. Person suffering from knock knees, okay, it needs a special way of treatment. That is a horse riding. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That is horse riding. Okay, students. Okay. Corrective measures for bow leg. Okay. Corrective measures for bow legs. Stand erect with feet joined together. Wrap a soft piece of cloth on both legs at knee level. Okay. You can do at your home also. Try to squat as far as possible. ठीक है, squat करते हैं. ठीक है, squat is an exercise. ठीक है, knees ऊपर करके. ठीक है, okay. Hold the position of squat for some times. Come to original position and repeat for how many times? For 4 to 6 times. Walk for some distance on the inner edge of feet. Okay?
Yes.
Now last one is corrective measures for round shoulders. ठीक है? Shoulders. It is not shoulder. Shoulders. Shoulders. Okay?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
SH. ठीक है? Okay, प्रियंका यादव. That is H. SH. Okay, Didi?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You should pronounce right in a right proper way. Okay. Keep your hips, keep your tips of finger on your shoulders and rotate your elbow in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction for some times. Okay. Hold the horizontal bar regularly for sometimes. These are few corrective measures for round shoulders. Okay, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We had come to know about corrective measures for lordosis, scoliosis, knock knees, bow leg, and round shoulders. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
Students, we had came to know about corrective measures for round shoulders. Round shoulder is a common postural deformity. It can be corrected with the help of following exercise. And what are corrective measures? Corrective measures to correct bad posture or deformity of posture. That's why corrective measures of postures are taken place. Corrective measure for round shoulder. Corrective measure for round shoulder. Keep your hips, keep your tips on fingers on your shoulder and rotate your elbows in clockwise and anti-clockwise and direction for tip of fingers on your shoulder and rotate elbow in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction for some time. Hold the horizontal bar regularly for some time. Perform Chakrasana and Dhanurasana for some times. As you can see in a figure also or a picture given in your book, three pictures that are given in a hang in a horizontal bar and Chakrasana. You can see Chakrasana there. Corrective measure for flat footed. The deformity of flat footed can be corrected with the help of the following exercise. Jumping on toes for sometimes, rope skipping, stand up and down on the heels, stand up and down on the heels, walk on the toes. As you can see in figure also, sit down properly, try to grip small wads of paper with your toes. These pieces of paper should be picked up by gripping force using toes. Corrective measures for flat footed. Grip a small wad of paper from the toes. Student, you can practice at evening time when you get or morning time a piece with the help of piece of paper. You can practice it. Conclusion. What is conclusion? The above mentioned correct exercise or physical activity should be done regular for long duration to get good result. These corrective measures should be employed immediately after the detection of deformities. In the later age stage, it would be difficult to correct these deformities. The best way is exercise for flat-footed or corrective measures for flat foot, that we can do this regular physical activity in a long duration to get good result.